Again, I'm going to be 5 years old and I'm going to be watching cartoons. So do that again.
It's come from so you cannot control.
So do it again. And say. Say.
I'm 23.
Ooh.
And I should think about marriage.
Ooh.
But I better do watch cartoons. But if I have children, I can watch cartoons all day game.
Of course.
That's a good reason.
Okay.
And eat ice cream. And you will work all day. Maybe even live in different city.
Kick you out, more like it. Different city. You got too much freedom already.
You can live at home.
Tell me you love me.
Very much.